How to buy FTX token, FTT. Beginner's Guide. What is FTX token, FTT? FTT is the native cryptocurrency token of the crypto derivatives trading platform FTX that launched on May 8, 2019. The team behind FTX comprises some of the largest crypto traders over the past few years who, having found issues with most mainstream crypto futures exchanges, decided to launch their own platform. FTX claims that it stands out due to such features as clawback prevention, a centralized collateral pool and universal stablecoin settlement. In regards to clawback prevention, a significant amount of customer funds on other derivative exchanges have been claimed by socialized losses. FTX reduces this by using a three-tiered liquidation model. On existing crypto futures exchanges, the collateral is fragmented across separate token wallets. This can be difficult for traders as it prevents positions from getting liquidated. On the other hand, FTX derivatives are stablecoin settled and only require one universal margin wallet. Another feature of the FTT are leveraged tokens, which allow traders to put leveraged positions without the need to trade on margin. If a trader wants to short Bitcoin with 3x leverage, they can simply buy a 3x short Bitcoin leveraged token on FTX. These tokens are ERC20 compatible and can be listed on any spot exchange. FTX currently offers XRP, BNB, TRX, BTC, ETH, EOS, USDT and LEO leveraged tokens. Who are the founders of FTX Token? The FTX Token or FTT was founded by Sam Bankman-Fried and Gary Wong. Sam Bankman-Fried is the co-founder and chief executive officer at FTX, cryptocurrency derivatives exchange. He is also the CEO of Alameda Research and worked as a director of development at the Center for Effective Altruism. He was also a trader at Jane Street Capital from 2014 to 2017. Bankman-Fried studied physics and has a bachelor's degree from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Gary Wong is the co-founder and chief technology officer at FTX, cryptocurrency derivatives exchange. He is also the chief technology officer at Alameda Research. Before this, he worked as a software engineer, after moving up from a software engineering intern at Google. He was also a software engineer intern at Facebook. He has a bachelor's degree in mathematics and computer science from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. What makes FTX token unique? FTX is backed by Alameda Research, which is known as one of the leading companies in crypto trading and one of the largest liquidity providers. As such, FTX is a product designed by professionals with confirmed expertise in the industry. They cover multiple services, from collateral to maintenance margin to liquidation processes and product listing. FTX also claims to be focused on fast development cycles, allowing them to deploy crypto trading systems at a competitive pace. Quick guide: how to buy FTT. Get some Bitcoin to exchange for this cryptocurrency. Register for an account with an exchange like Binance. Enable two-factor authentication. Click on Funds and select Deposits. Select Deposit Coin. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Transfer BTC into your account. Click Exchange and select Basic. Search for the pair you want to trade. Select a limit, market or stop limit order. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review transaction details. Confirm your purchase. Where to buy FTT. Comparing exchanges can help you find the right fit for your needs. We've looked at more than 20 exchanges, and you can sort our comparison table by deposit method, fiat currency support and crypto support. You can find FTT tokens on the following crypto in the video description.